Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello dear students, this is Mervat Abdullah. Today we're going to learn how to find the measure of any angle using the protractor. We have two examples here, angle ABC and angle XYZ. Let's start with ABC. We know that each angle has two sides, BC and BA. The two sides intersect in a point B, which is called the vertex of the angle. To start measuring, we need to plot this center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Now it's time to rotate the protractor until this horizontal line of the protractor will be on one of the two sides of the angle. Now, after putting this side on BC, let's start counting, starting from this 0. Let's count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 until we reach the other side of the angle, which refers to 70. So the measure of this angle ABC is 70 degrees. It is an acute angle because it lies between 0 and 90. What if we want to start measuring with the side BA? The same steps. First of all, you need to plot the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Then rotate the protractor until the horizontal line of it lies on the side BA. Now start from this 0. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40 until you reach the other side, which refers to 70 degrees. Now it's time to measure the other angle, which is XYZ. First, you need to plot the center of the protractor on the vertex Y. Now rotate the protractor until the horizontal line of it lies on one of the two sides of the angle. Let's start with YZ. Now we will start counting from this 0. Let's start 0, 10, 20, 30 until we reach the point of intersection with the other side of the angle, which refers to 130. So this angle XYZ equals 130 degrees. It is an obtuse angle because it lies between 90 and 180. Now, if you want to start measuring from the side YX, the same steps. Start from the 0. Let's count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 until we reach this point of intersection. It refers to 130. If you find this video useful to you, please share, like, and subscribe, and see you soon inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.